Keep your jackets on, please. All right. Another day down, or another day in. Today, I'm going to be focused on cutting this rear section out and also rerouting or reorganizing my switches. So originally I had them set up like this. I ended up breaking this while removing it. So the switch does not sit in here anymore. So I'm going to have to cut a new hole. So it's been a few days later and I got this wall up and also wired up the electrical system. Well, I wired up the 12-volt system. So I didn't really focus on documenting wiring up these switches because I did it in other videos, so if you want, you can look back at them. So we have power back in the rig. We also have the max air fan in there, currently set to auto. Got a much larger hole right here. I'm going to be able to get the shower space in this area. I like the new layout of the switches being horizontal versus the vertical layout I had before. Power distribution panel is in the exact same spot. It just fit really, really well right there. So I'm going to leave you here. Thank you so much for watching. Keep doing that YouTube thing, liking, commenting, and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.